Jamie. All right, we are off to Butakovka today. We're going to go to the mountains, right, Jamie? All right, we're going to the mountains. Butakovka Waterfall. Vodopad, right? All right.
Зато маленький, немного берется. Молодец.
Going to the mountains. All right, we got some hikers here, hiking up to the waterfall.
Jamie,
we're at a little rest stop here in the mountains. They're taking photos. It's beautiful. Green mountains. There's a river over here. And we're heading to Butakovka Waterfall. In Russian, Vodopad. All right. We'll get there soon, I hope.
Другого варианта нет уже? Так, сейчас подумаем. Вы идите, если хотите.
All right, we got a little waterfall here. Little waterfall. Маленький водопад. Beautiful. Okay, I think we found this water fountain. Waterfall. There it is. It's beautiful. That was a really hard hike. Woo!
Jamie, stop.
Behold, it is Butakovka. That's it. That is the waterfall. That was a very hard hike. I think this is as close as we're gonna get. Right, guys?
Well, we can try to go if
Okay, if you want to try it.
Пошли, давай, идите. Давай за своей дочкой.
You guys want to try to go get it? Careful, Jamie.
Да не, вот эти нормальные идут, вон те ребята. Джейми, стоп!
Jamie! We made it! Whoa. There's a dog. Muddy dog. Alright, I'm right in it. Ah! My camera's getting wet. It is not waterproof. I better go back. Ah! It's all misty. Probably going to die soon. Okay. All right. It should die anytime. It really is like 1%. You'd be surprised if it lasts very much longer. Let's get as much waterfall action as possible on the most epic adventures.
Look at that, someone is going up on the wall, on the rock.
Someone's climbing the rock? Whoa! Whoa! Well, my camera's holding out. Yeah, it's time to go back down. Oh my gosh, we have to go back all the way down the way we came. That was treacherous. Yeah, we can do it. Found a mountain spring here. Wow, fresh water. You can fill up your water bottle.
Только в воду не залазь ногами, баллон.
Jamie!
Подожди, по очереди, Джеймс.
Don't go in the water.
Хочешь вылить свою воду, эту на лес лежит?
Beautiful.
Осторожно. Ну, холодный прям такой, что ли?